Hey everybody, this is Ryan, and I'm going to give you a little detailed overview. So if you have any questions whatsoever about this here RGM multicolor digital clock, this video, as sure as you know what, will answer them. Full disclosure, this company reached out to me and said, Ryan, can you do one of your honest detailed reviews of our clock? Who might say to no? So in no way whatsoever is this being provided to me affecting positively or negatively my review. Let's get into it. So first and foremost, you might be wondering, what all do you get? Look at the reflection there, pretty cool. You're gonna get this alarm clock that, most importantly, you can change colors. And you can change colors here, or you can change colors here. There's a whole bunch of different settings, 10 or so, that basically can coincide with the decor if you want, or your mood, or whatever it may be. And this one also has a separate light down here that with a push of a button, you can change that glow, or you can turn it off really altogether like that. There is an option where it kind of cycles through different colors if you want to change colors and kind of have it just kind of, you know, being different and kind of rolling different colors. Pretty cool stuff, but just wanted to share, as you're noticing here, the colors are changing. That's some really cool stuff. Let me change the camera view so you can kind of see what it looks like if this was sitting on your table. So when this is sitting, you can see here there's this glow effect down here. Very cool. I've never seen anything like that. So I will say this is the first. Now, you got a couple of options here as far as what all this will do. Obviously, as you can see, you can set the time. It's extremely easy. You just hold down the different things. So here you would press this long hold and you could select the date, the time, the month, the year defaults to 2023. When I got this, it was off by like a couple minutes. I don't know if that was like a default setting, but pretty cool stuff. It does show you the day of the week. This time of this recording, it happens to be Friday. How about that? AM, PM, and you also have an option to turn on your alarm. So if this icon right here is illuminated, then you know it's either on or off. And then you have two options. You can either do workday, which is pretty much Monday through Friday as far as this is concerned, even though I work 7 days. And then you can leave it like that. So that's off, that's on, that's just work days. And hopefully that answers those questions. You have some options as far as the alarm. Ooh, my favorite. And this gets extremely loud, extremely loud. There is a dial on the back here. And so when the alarm's going off, this is your snooze button, the biggest one. So you would just slap that and your snooze is good to go. Give you a little break there. It does come with a power cord and brick, so you don't have to worry about any of that stuff. It does also come with batteries that are included. And these are strictly to keep memory, so it won't turn on with just these. You need to plug it in. The extension cord here to plug it into wherever you want to go is right at 4.5 feet long. Again, this is just for your memory. So if you disconnect the power and then plug it in somewhere else, you are good to go as far as not having to like rechange the memories and all that crazy stuff. So if you're looking for a very visually appealing, that's what would stick out to me. As soon as my daughter saw this, she's like, oh, that is awesome. Because she might just be in the mood to you know, do this or do that. Pretty cool stuff, and you get this bonus extra light down here if you like. Hopefully that answers all your questions, and we'll talk to you soon.